Now that October 15th has come and passed, we are officially in the Medicare enrollment season. And that means that the new plans have come out for next year. So stay tuned and we're gonna cover what exactly that means. Okay, so now that we're in the Medicare season, you're probably seeing television commercials. I see 3 in a row, it seems. But that's all because from October 15th through December 7th, that's when the majority of people can switch their Medicare plans and review their plans to make sure that the plan that you're on is still going to be a good plan for 2020. Because a lot of people don't realize that these plans, Medicare Advantage and drug plans, change every year. And so if you're not reading your annual notice of change, which, to be fair, it's not very fun to read, most people don't read those, you might have no idea what plan you're gonna be on next year. So that's why our phones start blowing up with questions from people who want us to review their plans to make sure that they're still in a good spot. So I'd highly recommend that for you. You can click the button below. I think we have a link to our phone number, our website, for someone who can talk to you and look through your prescriptions, who can go through the plans in your area to see if maybe there's a new plan with extra benefits so that you can get the most out of your Medicare. Again, don't get overwhelmed. I know there's probably a lot of people calling, you're getting things in the mail, you're seeing TV commercials. So find somebody that you can trust, and that way you'll have a very good Medicare experience and you know that your plan for next year will be the right one for you. Thank you for watching. Call the number below and you'll get connected to one of our friendly family members or honorary family members, and they'll be able to walk you through what the plans look like in your area based on your prescriptions and your situation.